Every night, we look up at the stars, a vast, endless sea of distant suns and planets. For centuries, humanity has wondered, are we alone? Are we the only intelligent beings in the vastness of space? Or perhaps there's someone or something else watching us. The idea of extraterrestrial life, alien species out there, watching or even studying humanity, has been a fixture of science fiction. But what if this isn't just a story? What if, right now, we are being observed by beings from another world? Tonight, we'll explore this tantalizing thought. What if aliens are already watching us? The universe is immense. It's difficult for us, living on a tiny blue dot in the middle of nowhere, to truly comprehend just how vast the cosmos really is. There are over 100 billion galaxies in the observable universe. Each of those galaxies contains billions of stars, many with their own planets. Given the sheer number of planets out there, the chances that Earth is the only planet with life seem small. Statistically speaking, it's not if we'll find other life, but when and how. Scientists call this the Drake equation, an attempt to calculate the likelihood of intelligent life existing in our galaxy. There are countless stars that could host habitable planets, planets in the Goldilocks zone, where liquid water can exist and potentially life can thrive. With this in mind, the idea that we are the only intelligent beings in such an expansive universe feels increasingly improbable. Now imagine that life has emerged elsewhere, in one of these distant star systems. What if intelligent aliens have been observing us for centuries, or maybe even millennia? You might ask, if aliens are out there, why haven't we found them? Why haven't we received any signals, seen any ships, or encountered anything that suggests they exist? This is the Fermi paradox, a profound question that has puzzled scientists for decades. The paradox lies in the contradiction. If there are so many potential planets for intelligent life to thrive, why haven't we encountered any? Why is the universe so silent? One possibility is that extraterrestrial civilizations are deliberately staying hidden. Maybe they are watching us from a distance, observing our behavior, our growth, and our development, but never making contact. They might be waiting for us to reach a certain level of technological or social maturity before they reveal themselves. This idea is known as the zoo hypothesis, that advanced civilizations treat Earth like a wildlife preserve, a place to study without disturbing the natural development of the species. Imagine being a scientist watching a colony of ants, studying their behavior, but never intervening in their world. Aliens could be doing the same with us. Perhaps they know that humanity is not yet ready for contact. Or maybe they're waiting for us to prove that we're capable of peaceful coexistence, to show we can handle the knowledge and responsibility of meeting other civilizations. But what would aliens be looking for in us? What could they possibly find interesting in a planet like ours, with its problems, wars, and contradictions? Are we just another experiment, another civilization to be studied? Or do they see something in us that mirrors their own past? First, we have to understand that alien life might not be like us at all. We imagine extraterrestrials as humanoid creatures with similar needs and behaviors. But the reality could be far stranger. Their motivations, their perception of time, and even their sense of self could be vastly different. Aliens may be interested in observing our social structures, our culture, and how we interact with one another. They might see us as a case study in the evolution of intelligence, watching how we struggle with issues like war, inequality, and cooperation. Or maybe they're fascinated by our technology, our ability to harness the power of the atom, send signals across vast distances, and create machines that can explore space. They could see us as a young species on the cusp of something great, but still fragile, still developing. Perhaps they've been watching us for centuries, waiting for us to unlock the mysteries of the universe, to prove that we can handle the power we've created. But what happens if we do make contact? If the aliens are watching us now, what if they decide to reveal themselves? Would they be benevolent, like the peaceful explorers we see in sci-fi stories? Or would they be more like the aliens in movies like War of the Worlds or Independence Day, arriving with destructive intent? We might think we're the most advanced civilization in the universe, but are we? What if there are species out there with technology that's millions or even billions of years ahead of us? Would we even stand a chance against them? Perhaps these aliens have seen civilizations like ours before, young, curious, but prone to violence and destruction. Maybe they've come to the conclusion that, for our own sake, they must remain in the shadows, letting us grow, mature, and evolve. Then again, what if they've been waiting for us to reach a certain point, to break through the barriers of division and conflict, to become a species capable of true interstellar cooperation? What if they are waiting for us to evolve into a civilization that can join the greater galactic community? If these aliens are truly out there, monitoring us, one question remains. How are they doing it? Perhaps they're already using technology far beyond our comprehension, technology that allows them to observe us without us even realizing. Think about it. We've only just begun to explore ways to detect alien signals, to listen for strange radio waves or patterns of light that could indicate extraterrestrial intelligence. But the truth is, the universe is so vast, and the ways in which information can travel or be hidden are far more complicated than we currently understand. Maybe they're watching us through advanced forms of surveillance, using methods we can't even begin to imagine. Their sensors might be able to detect our electromagnetic emissions, our radio waves, or even our digital communications. They could be listening to our conversations, reading our signals, or even watching our movements, all without us knowing. In fact, they might have been observing us for a very long time, waiting for us to develop the tools to detect their presence. Perhaps the moment we discover alien life, we will realize they've been here all along. Now, let's consider what would happen if we did know we were being watched. If evidence of alien observation were confirmed tomorrow, if we received a message or saw undeniable proof of their existence, how would humanity react? Would we embrace the knowledge with awe and excitement, eager to learn from these advanced beings? Or would we panic, scrambling to understand the implications for our very existence? The truth is, humanity might not be ready for such a revelation. Our world is divided in so many ways, politically, culturally, economically. Would the discovery of extraterrestrial life unite us or further divide us? Would we see aliens as a threat or as potential allies? And what if these extraterrestrials were so different from us that we could never truly understand them? It's a chilling thought. What if the aliens are not only watching us, but also waiting for us to prove we're worthy of their attention? What if their silence is a test, and the way we respond to the possibility of their existence will determine our future? We live in a universe full of mysteries. Mysteries we are only beginning to unravel. Are aliens watching us? Are they waiting for us to reach out? Or are they waiting for us to show that we've learned to live in harmony before we're allowed to join the cosmic community? One thing is certain, we don't know. But as we look up at the stars, perhaps we should consider the possibility that we're not alone. And if they're out there, watching us right now, maybe it's time we started asking ourselves the most important question.